In this demonstration, we will show how to label, train, and troubleshoot the segmentation activity. We created a short pipeline of 2 activities, segmentation and deep learning. Documents were uploaded and 3 fields for segment extraction were created: sides, premises, and terms. The deep learning activity will be set up in the next demonstration in this chapter. Let's look at the documents. The document set was automatically separated to the training and testing set using the divide set button, using the 80/20 default ratio. As a result, there are 28 documents in the training set and 8 documents in the testing set. Now we need to label all documents in the training set. Select the targeted paragraph location on every document. If a field region extends onto the next page, label a portion of the paragraph on the first page, then proceed with labeling on the subsequent page while holding down the Shift key. When all the documents in the training set are labeled, come back to the Documents tab and select the Testing Segments document set from the drop-down list. Documents in the testing set should be labeled as well, for correctly assessing model accuracy. Now label all documents in the testing set by providing the paragraph location on every document. When all the documents in the testing set are labeled, come back to the Documents tab. The segmentation activity is now ready for the training. Select the Training Segments document set from the drop-down list again. Make sure that all documents have the confirmed labeling status. To confirm labeling for a document, you should review it on the Fields tab, which we already did. Then, click the Train activity. The training process will take a few minutes depending on the document set size, but for the demo purposes this part of video is sped up. When the training is finished, we can test activity on the testing set to get more precise accuracy results. Select the testing segment set from the drop-down list and click Test Activity. When the testing is finished, go to the Results tab. We received 79% of accuracy, not a very high result. Let's investigate the issues to see if the accuracy can be improved. Click the first located incorrectly error. This will open the document with the error. For this document, the sides field was not detected, and the terms field was located incorrectly. Open the Reference tab to see how this document was labeled. The terms field was left empty. The Predicted tab demonstrates how the program predicted this field location. In this document, the segmentation activity defined the sides paragraph as the terms, which is wrong. This can be resolved by adding more documents of this variation, labeling them, and retraining the model. Let's investigate other errors. The sides field was not detected in 2 documents, although it was labeled correctly, as we can see at the Reference tab. The premises and terms fields were not detected in the same document. We can see that errors happen on the document variations that had only 1 or 2 examples in the training document set, or didn't get into the training set at all due to the automated method of separating the documents. Let's add more documents with the problematic variations to the training set. We sort the documents by the confirmed labeling column to see the unlabeled documents grouped together. The unlabeled documents will not be used in the training process. Go to the Fields tab and label these new documents. The segmentation activity has already been trained, allowing some fields in the new documents to be labeled automatically. This speeds up the labeling process for the newly added documents. If the field is missing on the document, for example, the terms paragraph, just leave this field empty. Go back to the Documents tab and make sure that the labeling is now confirmed for all images in the set. Now it's time to train the activity again. When the training is finished, select the testing segment set from the drop-down list and test the activity again. When the testing is finished, go to the Results tab. The accuracy has increased from 79% to 96%. There is still one located incorrectly field, so let's look at it. The terms field is defined as located incorrectly due to difference between the reference labeling and the predicted result. This could be improved further by adding a few more documents with this variation to the training set. In this demonstration, you have seen how to effectively label, train, and troubleshoot the segmentation activity, starting with document preparation and ending with a technique to improve accuracy results. By adding more documents that have problematic variations, carefully labeling them and retraining the model, we improved accuracy from 79% to 96%. This demonstrates the iterative process of learning in the segmentation activity.